Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add Solana in MetaMask, which is to send and receive Solana token. You can't add the native Solana network directly to MetaMask because MetaMask is designed for EVM compatible chain like Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Smart Chain and all other chains like that. So you can't send or receive Solana token with MetaMask. Why? Because Solana runs a complete different blockchain architecture and ecosystem. So MetaMask simply isn't designed just to connect for it or connect to it. But here's a simple workaround on how to send and receive Solana instead. So we have two options, so which I recommend the first option for you. So the first option is to use a Solana native wallet, which is the Phantom wallet, or use a Sophia. And then the option is also another option is to use Ledger Trezor, which is just connect your hardware wallet to Phantom or Sophia to add the security. Then to send or receive Solana, install Phantom wallet or the Sophia wallet, create or import your wallet, then click receive to view your Solana wallet address. Then from there, send Solana from an exchange to another wallet directly to this address. Then to send a Solana, click send, then paste your recipient wallet address and follow the prompt. And that's how you can simply receive and send Solana. But with MetaMask, it's impossible because MetaMask run on a different network. And that's it. Find a video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.